Okay na.
Tapat na lang.
Kailangan ba natin talaga magkaligan?
Good afternoon, everyone. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you today as we witness and celebrate the love of Rak and RJ for each other. We are here because we are special to Rak and RJ. We have journeyed with them over the years and have become part of their lives, so it is only fitting that we should be here to share this moment with them. May this ceremony not only strengthen the bonds between Rak and RJ, but also deepen their relationship with each one of us. Any ritual which celebrates the love one person has for another is always significant and a time of great rejoicing. However, today's ceremony celebrates much more than this. Not only are we witnesses to the deep and committed love which Rak and RJ have for each other, but we also rejoice at their courage to live out who they are and what they know to be true for them as individuals and as a couple. Let us all stand as we listen to messages of love.
An excerpt from the novel Captain Corelli's Mandolin by Luis de Bernelis. Dr. Ianis counsels his daughter. Love is a temporary madness. It erupts like an earthquake and then subsides. And when it subsides, you have to make a decision. You have to work out whether your roots have become so entwined together that it is inconceivable that you should ever part. Because this is what love is. Love is not breathlessness. It is not excitement. It is not the promulgation of promises of eternal passion. It is just being in love, which any fool can do. Love itself is what is left over when being in love has burned away. And this is both an art and a fortunate accident. Your mother and I had it. We had roots that grew towards each other on the ground. And when all the pretty blossoms had fallen from our branches, we found that we are one tree and two.
Sa
Braid by Luisa Igloria. Bound like a double helix, two strands embrace a life of thirds. What separates? What brings together? I'm bound to the summons of every day, each graveled surface, its raised letters. Slivers escape between windows shuttered together, unable to hold back a spill of light. Closer to their source could I not want for more. Shards picked from the beach, singly or together, pages of sand, dense novels with tiny print. Even the bottle's discarded cork, sliced thin, reveals hives and cellular structures, complex ties alive together with already disintegrating matter. In the end, a simple picture, shadow of a curve, gray diffraction photograph, where strands have overlapped together, form an X. I read there are atoms which like to sit next to each other, only alive, narrow as cross-grain ribbon, its moments together, answering another. Surely a generosity absolves. Evidence grows richer by the hour. The crystallized forms together with undiscovered parts of more mysterious nature. New knowledge supplants old, in science and history together, with all the arts which hollow out this space, how it unfolds all that's been given, how it revises, what design, together, in the same crucible, the heart beneath the glass, quick melting, mercury, the iron ball and feather dropped from a tower, together, gathering speed. Oh, but I recognize that careening, the equal effect of the hearts turning toward the same gravity, that spiraling and marvelous together.
Jack and RJ, you have chosen to walk through life hand in hand. There is no truer statement of love. Your choice to be together was not defined by a single moment, but by countless special ones. You belong together. The foundation of your love is profound friendship. When you give your hands, you give your hearts. I now ask you both to face each other. First, join your right palms, and then your left palms. This forms an infinity symbol with your hands, which symbolizes a love that will go on forever. Now, look into each other's eyes. These are the hands of your best friend, young and strong, and full of love for you, that are holding your hands, yours today, as you promise to love each other today, tomorrow, and forever. These are the hands that will work alongside yours, as together you build your future. These are the hands that will passionately love you and cherish you through the years, and with the slightest touch, will comfort you like no other. These are the hands that will hold you when fear or grief racks your mind. These are the hands that will countless times wipe the tears from your eyes, tears of sorrow and tears of joy. These are the hands that will give you strength to believe. And lastly, these are the hands that even when wrinkled and ageless, will still be reaching for yours, still giving you the same unspoken tenderness with his touch. Jack, you take RJ as your partner in life, promising to tenderly care for him, to respect his individuality, to cherish him as he is, to love him with fidelity. Okay. RJ, do you take Raph as your partner in life, promising to tenderly care for him, to respect his individuality, to cherish him as he is, to love him with fidelity?
Yes, I do.
Now we can have the exchange of vows.
I, RJ, take you, Rack, as my partner for life. I promise above all else to live in truth with you, I give you my hand and my heart as a sanctuary of warmth and peace, and pledge my love, devotion, faith, and honor as I join my life with yours. Extra This is a short poem. Yeah, but this is my poem. Okay, this is for you. Ictus. The instant at which the beat occurs is the flower of the moment. Music rests on the flick of your wrist, your movement a steady velocity, my voice seeks to follow. I believe in your promise, as I believe in air, that through midst the flute its human sound. Falconer, launch the eagle from your hand. Let this present be the duet of our song. Let the voice sing its hallelujah. I, Rahasha, taking RJ as my partner for life, I pledge to share my life openly with you, to speak the true thing of love. I promise to honor everyone, to cherish and encourage your own fulfillment as an individual for the rest of my life. Aww. Although this is not 100% my RJ, you are my best friend and everlasting companion. Whatever road you travel down, I will always be by your side. You are beautiful then, and even more beautiful now. In return, all I ask is that you never give up. Never in my life have I been happier than I am at this very moment. I promise to continue being your partner in times of joy and in times of trouble, to provide for, support you in friendship, trust, and love. I promise to work with you to build our lives together. May we grow, our lives intertwined, our love bringing us closer. Let us create a home based on love, and make it be a home filled with peace, with happiness, and with love. And may you continue. In front of our friends, we'd like to say, we promise to talk and to listen, to trust and appreciate one another, to respect and cherish each other's uniqueness, and to support, comfort, and strengthen each other through life's joys and sorrows. We promise to share hopes, thoughts, and dreams as we build our lives together.
We'll now have to Okay. Your rings show the world your love and commitment to one another. May these rings always remind you of the eternal love you have pledged and devotion you willingly share with one another from this moment forward.
Ito ba? Meron siya isang ring. Paano?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Papatuan ko lang. Pasok muna before you salita. Sabay. Um, just as this circle is without end, saan ka tumingin? Just as this circle is without end, my love for you is limitless. My commitment to you will never fail. With this ring, I take you to be my best friend, lover, and partner for life. Tama? Okay. Kaya. Rack, babe. Accept this ring, symbol of the promises we have made to each other today. It is a token of my love that lives deep within my heart. As I choose to share my life's journey with you, I pledge to you the joy of all my days.
Grabe.